Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today we are jumping straight into the vlog. I had to work on some packaging, getting everything together because I had a couple orders that were going out this week. So I'm just going to be showing you guys exactly what I do to make my packaging because I do everything myself. And I'm also going to give you guys a quick little price breakdown and how much everything costs me to do my packaging at home.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown.
So first things first, I got these boxes from Amazon. I got a pack of 25 and the size of these boxes are 8 by 8 by 4. And I got them for $30.99. So that breaks down to about $1.25 per box. I used to order my boxes from Paper Mart, but they actually discontinued a lot of the sizes and colors that they offered. Plus, for a pack of 10 boxes, it was only $24.19. So the pricing was kind of ridiculous. And then on top of that, shipping was ridiculous as well. Shipping ranged anywhere from, I think the lowest shipping option was $20, and like to have it overnighted was like $50. So the pricing was kind of ridiculous. So I did go ahead and convert over to Amazon. Depending on the sizes you're looking for, Amazon has so many different options. They have different colors as well. This was my first time buying the boxes from Amazon, and they're actually pretty nice. I will say the only complaint I have is the color white was a little bit sheer. You can't really tell on camera, but in person it's not as white as my Paper Mart boxes were. I do want to try to get orange as well and try and see how those come out and see if I like those boxes better, but just kind of doing a trial run with these boxes first. And really quick, I just wanted to show you guys for size reference how deep the boxes were. They fit my wigs. I love this. They fit all sizes of wigs without them being like scrunched up in the box. So it works out perfect. So next I'm going to be getting into how I do my labels, business cards, and thank you cards. These are the papers that I use. So everything that I use and get off Amazon, it will be linked down below. The sticker paper, the boxes, tissue paper, everything like that is going to be linked down in the description box. These are the labels that I make on Canva. I can do a video showing you guys how I make all my stuff because I do all my graphics through Canva, my business cards, labels, all of that good stuff. So if you guys want something a little bit more detailed, I can show you guys how I make my labels as well. So first, I'm just going to go ahead and cut off all of that excess white. So my business cards, I don't normally make them myself. I just did this because I didn't have any business cards and I didn't really have enough time to wait for some to be shipped to me because like I said, I have some orders to get out. So here I just went to Office Depot, printed some of my own out with my card stock. And when I did the price breakdown between me making them myself and getting them done through Canva, they were damn near the same price. For me to do 50 myself, it would have cost me $17 to do, and for me to get 50 through Canva, it would have cost me $15. So it's about the same difference price rise. So it just depends on how much time you have on your hands. I'm a full-time wig maker, so this was just one of my off days. I decided to go ahead and knock out all my packaging.
Self-control is helping your things. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a rod. Where I'm from, they serve the soul of things. You come from a city where there's lean with the rods. How the fuck you keep so many secrets? How you going vegan but still beef? How the fuck you see so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't come cheap. I see it back in the church. Remember we took it at first. Get it, got you a whip. When you got back on the shit, I had to tell her go get it. I'm always moving too fast. The feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you.
So jumping straight into the labels, I also got this off of Amazon. You can find this pack of koala labels from anywhere of $8.99 to $12.99. A lot of the times it's on sale. So the price breakdown for this, it is kind of the same. So to print, it has cost me 65 cents. One page cost me 65 cents, and then the box costs $1.24. So to print, it looks like it'll be about $1.30 plus the box. So I'm looking at $2.54 per box when it comes to finishing them up. I get about 4 labels per page, so 20 sheets. That should get me through about 40 boxes. That also depends on the sizing that you do for your labels. So I do my labels pretty big because I want everything to be seen and I want it to be big and noticeable. But if you want something a little bit smaller, you may be able to get, I don't know, 6 to 10 labels per page. I just use the Avery templates, and that's how I'm able to fit all of my labels on one page. I go on there, find one that fits the size I'm looking for, and then that's how I print everything off. Like I said, I can do a complete breakdown on how I actually print and make my labels and business cards and all of that good stuff to explain it a little bit more in detail if you guys would like me to. So like I said, I get 4 labels per page. So 7 pages will get me through a set of 25 boxes from Amazon. So it's actually pretty beneficial. I don't use a whole pack, so I'm able to kind of stretch my packs of paper out with the cardstock and the sticker paper for a long time. I normally can get it for about a couple months, to be honest.
All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your face.
So this step is extra. It is not a necessity. I just went in with my laminator because I have one at home, and we also had some sheets. I'm just going to run my business cards through the laminator so that way they'll have a glossy finish. You can find cardstock paper that has the glossy side. My local Walmart did not have that kind of paper when I went and purchased my cardstock, so I'm just going to go ahead and run them through the laminator so that way they'll have a glossy finish. I'm going to show you guys a clip of all of my stuff once I'm finished.
No, I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I'm still checking with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
So next I'm just going to clean up the edges and get some of that excess paper off, and I realized that the edges kind of lifted up after I did that, so I'm just going to run it through the laminator one last time to seal those corners, and then we're going to cut them out individually, and that is it.
Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really want to stay. I don't really want to go. But I really need to know.
And like I stated, this is the close-up of the business cards that I made. They're like the new little viral business cards that have been going around. And these are the thank you cards that I have made myself. These are my old thank you cards first. And this next one, or the next two I'm about to show you, are my new updated thank you cards. And there's also a little discount code in there. If you use code THANKS, that'll give you 10% off your next purchase. This is a little thank you for tuning into our videos. Okay, now for the assembly process. So I'm just gonna go through and put my top label on as well as my flap label. And then after I put my top label on and my flat label, and everything looks all good, then I'm going to go back and start pre-packing my boxes. I like to go through and put the tissue paper, thank you card, and business cards in all my boxes, so that way when I get an order, all I have to do is get the wig together, pack the wig up, and then put it in the box. And it's just that simple. Cuts down on a lot of time when I'm prepping like multiple orders at once. I don't have to worry about going through putting everything in the boxes. Everything is just already ready to go.
Your precious baby crying, do you feel your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong, barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own, I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32 bring me to tears, be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids, and I don't know what it is that made me so sick.
And I'm about to start pre-packing the boxes, like I said. So this tissue paper that I have, I got this from Amazon as well. I got a pack of 100 sheets for $8.45. So again, Amazon is where it's at. That is where all the business owners need to go check first before you start going to these wholesale companies, because ever since COVID, I've noticed that after COVID, a lot of these wholesale companies, the prices are not necessarily wholesale prices or no more. At this point, you're better off ordering through Amazon and just getting in smaller quantities than you are trying to order things in bulk by the hundreds and paying triple what you would end up paying if you paid it for in smaller quantities, if that makes sense. So I'm just going through everything, getting it all together, and at the end I'm going to show you guys a little clip of how I pack one of my orders, just so you can see my process as a normal day in the life of a wig maker.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo. Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Do anything for club. Do anything for club. Do anything for club. Do anything.
Quick little promo to throw in. This wig is actually from Kendra's Boutique. My client mailed in. Yes, you can mail in your bundles to us. Yes, you can mail in your bundles. Yes, you can mail in your bundles. My client mailed in her bundles to us to have it constructed into a unit. We went through the whole custom wig process. She didn't want baby hair, no part, but wanted the ability to be able to part in both directions. So I went ahead, got this wig all the way together, and now we are mailing her back to her owner.
They wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit, everybody wanna be rich, everybody wanna be this. They fuss you out, hate me, bring my problems, suck my all of that talking, I'm calling it out. Calling good business for private accounts. You're not a check, then you gotta bounce. I got the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout, do anything for clout. This is mad, this is trash, this is a grouch. See me win, they gotta hurt. Ouch, so when they see me, what they gonna do? From the couch, back.
Do anything for club. 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 They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. Don't hold no right. Big ass villain ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up in around me, nigga, and I'm playing with a woman for the kitty. Got my folk goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills. I ain't playing for the boy right now. Goddamn, for the time with a year.
This is so random, but it really is the little things that goes into the packaging that goes a long way. So I like to put my boxes in flap first, so that way the first thing my customers see when they open is to prepare to be obsessed. It's just so cute. Builds a little bit of anticipation. But thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Still getting ready in a function.